What up, y'all? Decided to take one. It's a Monday, second day of the week. People are moving kind of slow. Extremely cold too. Ooh, fingers are numb. Ground is about frozen. You see on this car, I don't know if you can see it. The ice chips on the car. I don't know whether you can see that, but whew, it's chilly. Chilly. Also, the ground is frozen too. You can almost hear the crunch in it. Yeah, so I'm feeling that in my hands. This fine Monday morning. It's about, I don't know, maybe about 8:10, something like that. Got all my stuff ready to go. Just got to get this the GC to open this unit here. We're getting ready to start. I was hoping I'd see him by now. Usually I do. Usually walking around opening them up, but today he's kind of, or actually everybody is kind of, maybe we're just spread out. On this part that I am, I don't see any work vehicles, such as the electrician, the painter, the cabinet guys. They may be across the way, but nobody's here. None of the work vans. So for me. And waiting on the rest of the crew to get here as well. So maybe it's because of the weather. It's kind of moving kind of slowly. Have to get my gloves and put my gloves on. And I may have to try to contact him and see if we can't get these doors open. That unit back there on the upstairs, I did the one across the way Friday, and this one I want to accomplish today, one of them. So I may have to end it here. Just wanted to pop in and say hey everybody, and I appreciate y'all watching the AAC videos, and your good comments that you leave. I appreciate it, and we have to give you more as we go. So with that being said, until the next time, shalom.